Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Alipay for foreigners without China bank cards. The new visa exemption policy recently announced by China is expected to boost business connections and facilitate tourism in order to make your China trip easier and successful, so that you can use Alipay to make payment or shopping when you are in China. China is encouraging foreign visitors to China, but the unique environment is not like what you think. If you have never been to China before, Chinese people use WeChat Pay for foreigners without Chinese bank card. Alipay and WeChat Pay are the most popular mobile payment in China. If you're going to China, you'd better activate at least one of them. Because China is an almost no cash country, they barely use cash. This is useless sometimes. You can use cash to pay for the products or service, but you can't expect the merchants or vendors will give the change to you because they probably don't have small cash or they don't have cash at all. And some services can be ordered online only, like hotel reservations, book tickets, call a cab, order a takeout. All you need to know is your life in China will be difficult without Alipay or WeChat Pay. Besides, if you're sourcing products on Taobao, 1688 or other Chinese e-commerce platforms, or you are trying to find factories or suppliers in China, I think Alipay will be very helpful to you. You can use Alipay to make payment. How to sign up for Alipay account. First, you need to install Alipay on your phone. You can download Alipay app from Google Store or Apple Store. Open Alipay, click agree the privacy policy. You can log in with your phone number or log in with your Taobao account, or click on more option to log in with email. If you don't have Alipay account, then click on sign up. You can sign up with email or phone number here. I'm going to sign up Alipay with email. Agree. The privacy protection, look here, it says Alipay needs to carry out real name system and perform anti-money laundering duties. So you need to provide some personal information such as your name, email, phone number, passport, and bank card information. Verify operation. Do it as it asks for. A verification code like this has been sent to your email. You need to enter the code. Now select country based on your passport or ID card. I don't need any service right now, so close this location requires pop-up. Okay, done. You have an Alipay account now, but it's useless without adding bank card and ID verification. Let's update account info to access more Alipay service in just 3 steps. Click here. Step 1, you need to complete real name verification and upload ID photo. Step 2, add bank card so that you can enjoy both convenient and secure online payments and offline shoppings. Step 3, set username and profile picture and password to make your account more secure and convenient for others to transfer money to you. Or you can click on settings at the top right corner. Click account and security. You can add mobile number here. I just used email to register Alipay account, but I highly recommend you to link your phone number as well. You better link both phone numbers and email information. That will save you your time when you have account issues, and you can just use either phone number or email address as login way. Add, change, or delete email address by clicking here and setting passwords and login method here. What you need to do now is verify your identity information. Click on region to select the right one, and then enter the passport information, or click here to scan your passport to fill in automatically. Complete real name verification and upload your ID photo. You need to add bank card. Alipay accepts international bank cards issued by Visa, Master, Diners Club, Discover, JCP, and Union Pay. If failed to add international bank card to Alipay, you may try the other bank cards. For example, if Visa card is not working, then you may try MasterCard. The app interface may be different. You can add or manage bank cards by clicking here as well. Once all get done, you can try to use it if you're physically located in China. Although WeChat Pay and Alipay are both popular mobile payment in China, but I always recommend Alipay to foreigners. Do you know why? Because WeChat system will block your account for no reason. And as a foreigner, you can't contact WeChat customer service support. Instead, you can contact Alipay customer service support easily. And if you can't read Chinese characters, you don't understand Chinese language at all. Alipay provides translation feature built in the app that's designed for foreigners. The translation is turned on by default. If it's missing, you can go to settings icon at the top right corner, click general, and turn on translation tool. Let's check how it works. Let's say you don't want to go out to eat. You just want to order takeout food. Click on takeout. The pages are all in Chinese. You can click on translate. Wait a second and all the page will be translated to English. And you can drag this to anywhere. If you use WeChat, it doesn't have translation at all. Okay, that's the Alipay for foreigners. What if I still can't use WeChat Pay or Alipay when visiting China? None of them works for me. Just to remember to prepare enough small cash in China and just trust me and you'll thank me later. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.